It's the Bo Show. We famous now. It's the Bo Show. We famous now. Bo Show. We famous now. We famous. I can't wait to meet you, boy. It's the Bo Show. I got something to say about it. It's going down in the trap today. The gentleman, you didn't see the gentleman going in the dog box? Hey, how did you miss the gentleman going in the dog box?
Wow.
Yeah, I heard you good one. I read those ribs. Yes, sir. I killed a snake yesterday in the backyard. I ain't see that one. I ain't studying that.
I need my light.
Yeah, you wait till the sun come up. Wait till the sun come up. What's going on, YouTube friends and family? YouTube friends and family, how y'all doing? We almost at 5,000 subscribers, boy. Ooh. God is good. Keep God first. You watching The Bo Show. If you didn't know so, we are in Williamston, North Carolina, and we got my homies from Raw Dog Killers. If y'all seen the hunt last year, they came down to Little Skillet and rocked the block. So they invited me up here to Williamston. We hunt with a good group of guys. I'm gonna come back with a little bit more info. Shout out to Super Clean. Make sure y'all check out their products. And we got a new company that we're working with. TIDEWE. I'm gonna come back with a better pronunciation, but they got this cool camo suit that I got on. Look at me, I'm camouflaged up. But we're gonna come back with some better action, some more action in a little bit. Hit that subscribe button. There go Rock. We got Rock and Reggie from Raw Dog Killers. I don't know who all they bought with them. Good morning. Hello? Oh, you're on Facebook, right? Yeah. Yeah. What's up, bro? That's fun. Yeah. I got a friend on Facebook. I recognize you. Hey, look familiar. Yo, man, put my dogs in the video too, now. What's your name? It's the Bo Show. We famous now. It's the Bo Show. We famous now. Bo Show. We famous now. We famous. I can't wait to meet you, boy. It's the Bo Show. I got something to say about it. It's going down in the trap today, baby. Oh, yeah, what a celebrity now. We famous. Yeah. We famous. The Bo Show. Yesterday, yeah. Hey, I can't miss that now because I'm a celebrity now. You saw I can't miss that. We on YouTube, baby. What we gonna hunt? This block right here? Bob. Everything, probably. Everything. Let me get on the track. Oh, you go to the train. Sound good. Down here on the right hand side. So you get down there, you'll see it on the right hand side. On the white truck right there with the four-wheeler. Hey, the track is the hot spot. So that's why I'm trying to put y'all down there. Zoe.
Yes.
Give you a call.
No.
Said I grew up in the sticks where you learn how to hunt at a young age. Country boy with a dream that I'm gon' chase. Said I grew up in the sticks where you learn how to hunt at a young age. Country boy with a dream that I'm gon' chase. Country boy with a dream that I'm gon' chase. Said I grew up in the sticks where you learn how to hunt at a young age. Country boy with a dream that I'm gon' chase. All the haters' motivation, think the people that had died of me. When I leave the country is never out of me. Drink a cold with the bros and think about wearing body beat. Papa Willie getting silly, flying like a pilot bee. You see that I'm headed up, I'm knowing that you're proud of me. When I'm in the country, it be feeling like I'm bound to be. When I'm in the country, it be feeling like I'm bound to be. When I'm in the country, it be feeling like I'm bound to be.
Another false alarm.
Remember, if you're watching this, you're blessed. And this is why they call it hunting, because you're not guaranteed action all the time. The dogs was coming straight to me, but they end up crossing further up in the block. Yeah, I got 2 dogs right here at the cotton field at the top side of the track. 3 dogs, 2 white dogs in the block.
How about it, Tim?
I'm going back to the other side. I see some wind going out that way.
For Sue and Hawk.
That's the only one I can see. They get ready to cross.
And for I see him.
There's a dog down here.
It sounded like somebody shot at their house. What's going on, player?
They're going hands got some sort of bills in the truck.
They gotta go get him. What in the world you shooting right there?
AR-12.
AR-12.
Got good cuz.
Very good. You kill anything with it here?
No, it's my first time cuz.
Oh yeah. One shot at me.
Buckshot to the slow cuz.
Okay. Good luck.
Alright, thank you cuz.
they got that deer. I don't know what it is, but they got them.
They must be running more than one. Yeah, I think they run 2 deer. I think that was a lucky shot. Alright, don't put no horns on your head. Hey, buddy. Go down. You know that? I pulled y'all in the hut, man. We ain't in the hut, man. Y'all couldn't stay home for this. Hey, we've been out of the hut all morning, too. Yeah. Wanna try to catch him or let him go? Yeah, dog, man. Our dogs ain't been in no hut, man. We just sitting out here. All that. We would have started this morning. We ain't been in no hut, bruh. What are you looking back for? Did you kill him? Y'all just get ready to load the truck up. But that's 2 lucky shots.
He's going over the railroad tracks.
One day that was coming straight to us alongside this railroad track, but then it swung out that way and they shot on him. Then they ended up dropping the whole, I believe Red just dropped all his dogs, dropped the box on him. Now they're going back down the railroad track that way. See, all the action on that side, they done shot about 30, 40 times down that way. I ain't seen nothing up here. Now they ready to hop in my truck and chase dogs.
You saw the deer? Oh.
What you got? Out there in that railroad track. The damn fountain. I'm gonna find that there on the railroad track on Reason Road. Go, man! We did. Hey, you're the difference right there. I ain't get no shot. I'm gonna show you how to eat. I can help out with it.
I done had me a people, boy, that was good. Now you did your thing right there. The whole, with all of it. With all of it. Wait, Mark. Hey, what you telling her? Hey, she right there. Oh, damn.
Still hunting.
Y'all didn't see me. Yes, sir. See, I told you. What's up, buddy? I'm to you then. Trying to. How you think? That was shit like a motherfucker.
Country boy with a dream that I'm gon' chase.